Okay, so the next one is the banded barbell glute bridge. So grab yourself a band, put them on top, take a step in, load them up, pull it up so it's just above your knees. It means it's gonna help us when we do the abduction part of the training, okay, for the glutes, okay? So bring yourself under, roll it under, and plant, get yourself ready. So essentially, we've got something to fight against now. So on the abduction part, we get to train on this. So from here, we're gonna roll your shoulder blades back and down, and I'm gonna start, hold and squeeze. I'm just gonna push up. When I do this, my scapula is pinned to keep myself in place, and I'm gonna drop my ribs down into my hips. This means that I'm gonna avoid letting my upper body swing that way. I just want it to be from here and up. It's just to be glute extension, hip extension, and then from that point, it's just gonna be the posterior tilt, okay? So from here, I come up, squeeze, come back down. The entire time, I'm holding tension on the band. Squeeze, back down. Squeeze, back down. Right now, I'm working on all 4 rolls. Have a go.